New tonight, scammers are filing fraudulent income tax returns and stealing refunds. The key to the crime? Stolen Social Security numbers, and wait till you hear where they're getting them. CBS 2's Dave Carlin spoke with victims of this growing crime.
I was like, what? What do you mean? That's impossible.
Her return was ripped off. This Westchester County woman who asked we not show her face went to electronically file her taxes, but a criminal beat her to it. Her longtime tax preparer told her,
You are a victim of identity theft, and your Social Security number was used to file.
I had never heard of it before, to be honest with you.
the same thing happened to Tom D'Agostino of Cortland Manor, who never dreamed he'd be taking a folder with his taxes into state police to file a report. He joins dozens of neighbors who, since Friday, came here to file similar reports.
It's somewhat soothing that you're not the only guy out there getting it done, but it's still an annoyance.
We do hear about it, and unfortunately, we hear about it more frequently than we ever used to.
Consumer advocates and federal investigators say this is how it works. A fraudulent tax return is created using someone else's stolen Social Security number. Then it's filed electronically. It can be done with no W-2 forms from employers. Instead, crooks get an EFIN, or electronic filing identification number. The money goes to a bank card, sometimes a prepaid green dot one, and criminals get the refunds.
The IRS says all of us need to do a better job of aggressively protecting our personal information, but that can be difficult because crooks often get the data from unscrupulous workers at the places we tend to trust, including schools, military bases, and hospitals.
The victims we talked to said they don't know exactly how their Social Security numbers were stolen or how much in refund money the scammers got. The fraudulent returns will be thrown out, and they must file their returns the old-fashioned way on paper. They say the Internal Revenue Service needs better safeguards.
If the tax filing doesn't match something from the previous year, that should automatically send a red flag.
The IRS says it is stopping millions of suspicious returns every year and implemented new identity theft screening filters to spot false returns before criminals cash in. In Croton-on-Hudson, Westchester County, Dave Carlin, CBS 2 News.
The IRS also warns to never carry your Social Security card with you and protect any other documents that have your Social Security number on them.